Hello Virgo, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lady of the Throne and I'm back with your love guidance, love reading for April 1st through the 15th. So Virgo, we're going to be looking at the feels. How do you feel about someone? How does someone feel about you? And how do you see them and how do they see you? And that is all we're going to cover in this reading. So if you are interested in an extended version of this reading, I do have extended readings. Check the link down below in the description box. What that is going to do is allow you guys access to go deeper into this and find out your person's secrets. What is it that they really, really want at this time? And also some angel guidance and messages to help you with this connection and bringing it together, keeping it together, or whatever it is that you want. But it's going to be messages that you need. So if you're liking the style of these videos, please give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. Keep in mind that these are made for listening, not necessarily viewing. So it is a calming experience for the most part. And if you have some earphones, go ahead and pop them in. Just listen. All right, so Virgo, how do you feel about your person of interest? Okay, you guys have a very interesting thing going on, Virgo, where it's something about feeling emasculated. Now, if you are a male, then you could feel deprived of your role in a connection with your love interest. This person could possibly make you feel a little too sensitive, to be honest. It could be that this person you're dealing with is pretty powerful, okay? And they kind of like emasculate you. If you are a female, then you're taking on this role or identity just like a masculine, okay? And the connection, you're coming across as more masculine, or maybe you're tapped more into your divine masculine side of yourself, where it's like you're more left-brained. You could be more logical. You could be more focused on analyzing your work. Could be working too much, a workaholic, or you could be diplomatic or acting quite different. They don't see really your femininity at this time. And I think that Virgos are good at being feminine, being soft, being nurturing. You guys take a lot from the Leo energy. You really do. Leo is right before you guys, and you definitely take a lot of Leo's characteristics. But I think that this person that you're interested in does not really see this side of you enough, okay? They feel like, yeah, they know that you are a strong person. Some of you are in leadership roles in work. But this person kind of wants you to turn work off, okay, sometimes, I feel. Now, I see that Virgo, you guys are just really trying to attain success. Some of you are trying to get worldly success. Some of you just want success at your job, your 9 to 5. But I see you want to be really successful. You want to be extremely successful. So you are focused on work, business matters, and things like that. I feel like you guys still have big dreams for your life. Like, you look at life like it's not over yet. You know, I still have things that I want to do. And you want to achieve great things in your life. So you could be really, really busy. But I also see at some point during the next 2 weeks that you're going to take a step back and think about things, and you may start to put your family first after you realize that you've been going so hard, okay? Or before you have to go back to work. So maybe on the weekend, before Monday, when you have to go back to work, for some of you, you're going to be wanting to just dedicate that weekend to your family. I do see something like that coming through. Or maybe you guys are working at a long distance. Maybe you want to hang out and party or do something fun before you have to go back to work. So I am getting that you're going to put your family, you know, and their needs before your own, or at least give yourself a little break before it's time for you to start back going hard on whatever it is that you're motivated by. I do see here, speaking of motivation, that a lot of you are motivated by money. There's a strong desire about money. There's so much money that you're trying to raise, gain, or profit, okay? And be very careful. Be very careful when it comes to feeling like this, because that type of energy is associated with the enemy, okay? It's associated with the enemy. So you want to be careful that you're not feeling like that so much during the next 2 weeks, because you could play right into the hands of the enemy, because it could come across as greed. All right, so be careful of that. But other than that, I don't see you feeling any kind of way about your love interest. It's just like you're focused on you. So your love interest may be right if this person feels like, if you're a female Virgo and this person feels like you are, if they feel emasculated, then they could be right, because I don't see you really worried about them emotionally. Now, let's look at your person of interest. How do they feel? And remember, guys, feelings are temporary, okay? Now, your person of interest is frustrated with you, or frustrated with something. This person feels like there's a lot of lies going on. This person feels like you've been lying about a lot of things. It could be that you've been lying about something when it comes to work, money, finance, time. Maybe you keep telling them you're busy, you're doing this, you're doing that, but really they know you're lying. You're just avoiding them. This person feels like you're lying to them. Now, keep in mind, this is this person's feelings. Just because a person feels a certain way doesn't mean that it's true. It's just feelings. And going back to your feelings, Virgo, all of these things that I said about how you guys feel, it could be the other person feeling these things. Like, say, for instance, when I mentioned that, to be careful about being greedy with money, or not spending enough time with family and needing to, or working so hard, that could be your feelings about this person right now. It could be that that's how they're doing things and that's how you feel about them, okay? And they could be doing this because they have felt emasculated by you because of your successes and things that you have going on. So it could be a different way. Now, apply things as they need to be applied in your life as you're going through them. Okay, so a lot of you may not get this experience until you wait until April starts, and the days start to roll in for April, and then you start to notice this and see which one of you it is. But this person feels like there's lies going on. Someone's getting caught in a lie within the connection. Okay, someone's getting caught in a lie, and because of this lie, there could be emotional outbursts. Okay, I sense that it's because someone has asked someone for something, for a favor or for action. Maybe someone's asking someone to do something for them, or something related, it could be something sexual, could be something related to money. It could be anything, but some type of situation causes an uneasy feeling in your person or you, because somebody feels that the other person is lying by saying no, they can't do it, like it's excuses or something. But the other person who is telling the so-called lie is actually telling the truth, I think. Wow. Okay, this person is going to be having a lot of dreams. This person's going to be their angels are going to be working very closely with this person. Their angels are going to be coming to them, your person of interest, Virgo. Their angels are going to come to them and tell them a lot of things about this connection or about you. They're going to get powerful and deep revelations. So if I were you, I would be careful how I handle things with this person, because this person's starting to get spiritual guidance. So if this is a man that you're dealing with, Virgo, then this is very, very important, because men are not always tapped into their spiritual selves. And so if at this time your person is somehow getting communication from their angels about you, then this is something to think about. Okay. All right. They're going to be getting angelic messages. They're going to be finding things out on their own, or angels are going to be telling them things. Yeah, this is interesting right here. Now, let's look at the point of view. How you see your person, and how does your person see you, Virgo? Okay. So Virgo, you see things, you see like this connection being taken to a new level here. Things are being taken to a new level. The way you see this person is like this person is a pot of gold. Okay, which means that see this goes back to the greed. Virgo, I don't want to blame you for anything, but I want to ask you a question. Are you with someone just for money or power or status? Because it strongly feels like somebody's with someone for power or money. Okay, or are you with someone that is like a dream person for you? Like is more than just with money and power and status. Maybe you do really like them and you are really interested in them. You do want them, but it has a strong emphasis on what this person has also that makes you kind of interested in them too. But I do feel that the way you see this person is that they are just on their own a spiritual person. This person could be opening your third eye, or maybe you're now seeing that this person is opening their eyes. Yeah, I think that you see this person as opening their third eye now. They are becoming more woke and conscious now. Something spiritual is happening to this person. This person is undergoing a real life, powerful transformation right now that's leading them to an emotional rebirth. And what does that mean for the connection? You have to get the extended to see. You have to get the extended to find out what this person's true intentions are going to be at this time, because this person's going through something that you've never seen before. Something is awakening within this person's soul on a spiritual level, and they're starting to change right before your eyes. So that's what you see in this person. You also see them as a dream come true, or maybe someone who you always wanted to be with and now you finally have them. Okay? Yeah. Some of you see this person as having a special role that they are going to be playing in your life, or that they do play in your life. They really do fill your cup of love. And you see them as someone who's becoming more open to love now, and more like they're healing their heart. And the more they heal and grow and learn things, they have the ability to fill your heart. So they're like a person that you are interested in, that you desire, because of either their status, power in society, the role they play in their work and their money, but you also really do like them and love them as a person. So it's a lot of things, but I think you like that this person is not, like average. I get the sense that some of you are dealing with someone who has a high status, and I think you like that too. Okay, that's why you're interested. Now, this person, how do they see you? Oh, wow. Okay, Virgo, this person sees changes in you too. Yeah, that's the reason why they've been feeling emasculated right now. Yeah, so the reason why they've been feeling emasculated by you is because they know that you are divinely protected, and you are like an angel. Literally, not by your innocence, but what I mean by an angel is that you make them feel safe and secure when they're around you, because this is what it is. You're not argumentative right now. Like, that's what I mean. For the next 2 weeks, they know you're not trying to argue. That's what it is. Okay, you're not arguing. However, this person sees you as needing to still open up your heart, though, and needing to open up your mind as well in order to restore balance in your life. They know that you've gone through some major life changes, and they just want you to feel safe within your environment, or feel safe at work, or feel safe with yourself. Okay? They feel like you need to pray, Virgo. Like, they see you I don't know, it's like they see you. It's something about, okay, with these lies, or someone being caught in a lie, or some type of lie coming out, or something that's not right. I feel like this person, it could be, Virgo, that this person has lied to you about something, and they see you as like this angel who should have never gotten hurt with these lies. Or maybe they feel like you have been lying. That's why you emasculate them. That's why you're only focused on that's why you only want them. It's for their money or their status or the clout, something like that. That's the only reason why you stay around, and that you need to go to God, or like you're going to need God to help you with this, because not only are they realizing that you don't really truly want them for real, but they're also starting to see that you need help, or you're not a good person, or something like that. So if they do refer to you as an angel, they may see you as a dark one. Wow. Oh gosh, this went like different ways. So there's a light side and a dark side. There's a, like, this is a duality type of situation. So it could go either way, Virgo, but what I'm getting is either you're dealing with someone who has lied to you and they feel so bad for hurting you because they see you as this angel of God, and they feel like they need to pray. But what the way the messages are coming out, Virgo, it strongly feels like it's the other way. I'm not gonna lie to you. It really feels like, but this is the thing. What I can sense is that this person, remember, these are your views. What I feel is that maybe this person found out you've lied about one thing, and now you're no longer an angel. Now you're a bad guy. Now you're horrible. Now you're the worst person in the world. You know, like that. Just because you make them feel some type of way. Because you're focused on money in your own life. So this is interesting. This is where you get an extended reading to find out what else is going on, because this is very unique. And that's all I have for you. Take it easy. Remember that these are just feelings and views. They're temporary. They're going to change for sure. It's not always like this. Of course, it's life. And this is just like me trying to help you get clarity on the views. But as far as like solving anything, or trying to pick at a person for doing something, or trying to reveal future outcomes, that's not what this is. Okay. All right. God bless.